Today I'm going to show you how to make a classic Bundt cake. It's easy to make and it will surely impress your guests. So I'm going to start making the batter with sugar, softened butter, and cream this together. So that's a pretty good stage there now to add the eggs, and we'll add those one by one. You can add another. Keep mixing this until it becomes very light and fluffy. I'm going to finish off my creamed mixture by adding 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now I'm going to get onto my dry ingredients. I'm going to mix baking soda, baking powder, and salt into flour. Give that just a little whisk. Then I'm going to alternate adding that flour to the butter sugar with lemon juice and buttermilk. Very gentle whisking to keep it nice and light. The last thing we need to put in is lemon zest. One final mix, and it's ready to go in the pan. Spoon it evenly into our prepared tin. Then I'm giving it a little tap on the bench so that it falls nicely into the Bundt tin. That's ready to go in the oven. So my Bundt cakes come out of the oven. All that's left to do is make a beautiful glaze to put on it. Because it's a lemon cake, we're just going to use icing sugar and lemon juice and whisk. The trick with the glaze is to make sure that it's not too thick, that it doesn't sink into the crevices of the cake, and that it's not too thin so that it's translucent and most of it ends up on the plate. So I've got the perfect consistency. So I'm just going to drizzle slowly around the top of the cake. It's so shiny and lovely. It just adds an extra finishing touch to this beautiful cake. I think I need to have a piece. What a beautiful cake. Enjoy.